Big thank you to crypto exchange BITUNIX for sponsoring the JWK show. Get your XRP by using the link in the description below. We have no KYC, no VPN, so very quick and easy sign up process. Today was a big day. Yesterday was a big day as we did see the Fed's cutting rates by 25 basis points, and in the long term, this is bullish for the markets. But right now, we are seeing some turbulence in the markets, and we are seeing the crypto markets dumping lower, which is obviously not a great sign, but this gives us the opportunity to buy XRP at a cheaper price to increase our bag size for cheaper, and so will benefit us in the long term. So if you guys are looking to buy XRP and increase your bag size, then guys, this is the perfect opportunity for you. And it seems like we do have the markets going down because of Jim Kramer. We have inverse Kramer activating again. Just in, Jim Kramer says market will explode if interest rates go lower. And guess what happened? We had interest rates going lower, and now we have the markets going down. We have inverse Kramer coming true. Guys, always do the opposite of what Jim Kramer says. We do have BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK21 share clients selling a combined $398.64 million worth of Bitcoin, also contributing to the crypto dump. We can see Bitcoin now at $108,000, Solana at $191, Ethereum $38.61, and XRP, unfortunately, moving down even lower, trading at $2.51. As we said, guys, for the past couple of videos, with the sell signal being confirmed on the RSI stochastic, we were expecting the price of XRP to fall down. So right now we are testing a key level of support, this trend line over here. But if we do see XRP breaking below, then we could see a retest of this level of support, the next level of support, which is a very, very critical level as it is a trend line ever since April of 2025, very strong level. And so this level is around the $2.47 mark. We could see a retest of that zone. So get ready for a price dump. We have from Big Shorts, 5T again, twice, and we have NVIDIA becoming the first company in history to reach a $5 trillion market cap. And we have OpenAI preparing for IPO at a $1 whopping trillion valuation, Reuters reports. Imagine the valuation for a Ripple IPO. And don't forget, we do have Trump beating up with Xi as well. We do have a major macro event which causes a lot of volatility in the markets. We have from Trump, very much looking forward to my meeting with President Xi of China. It will take place in a few hours. It is happening in South Korea. We do have President Trump says South Korea has agreed to pay the U.S. $350 billion to lower tariffs, and South Korea has also agreed to buy U.S. oil and gas in vast quantities, and their investment in the U.S. will exceed $600 billion. And we had the Japan also investing around $600 billion as well. So massive investments coming in from Asia, which makes sense as Asia loves XRP, especially South Korea. And we do have the update with Donald Trump and Xi, and that is President Xi Jinping says he's glad to finally meet with President Trump. It's very warm seeing you again. It's been many years since your re-election. We've spoken on the phone 3 times, obviously the 1% using the 3 number, exchanged several letters, and stayed in close contact. Given our different national conditions, we do not always see eye to eye. It is normal for the 2 leading economies of the world to have frictions. In the face of winds, waves, and challenges, you and I at the helm of China-U.S. relations should stay the right course and ensure the steady sailing forward of China-U.S. relations. Based on the things said, it seems like we should see a positive trade deal coming in, which will be bullish for the markets. We do have the Trump and Xi meeting ending in less than 2 hours. As of now, no breakthrough announcements have been announced. We just have shaking hands and serious looks as well. We'll see what happens. We should be getting an update from Donald Trump soon. But we can see we had $150 million worth of crypto longs liquidated following the meeting. We have the government shutdown as well, but luckily we do have great news, and that is government shutdown live updates as senators express cautious optimism about talks. We should see the government shutdown ending and then the XRP ETFs getting approved. The next one is Franklin Templeton on November 14th. And we also have, lastly, the S1 filings registration. Several issuers submitted S1 amendments in October 2025 to launch the 20-day clock. These ETFs can therefore automatically take effect and come onto the market as soon as the exchanges release the listing. We have NYSE, ARCA, SIBO, and so on. We have multiple XRP ETF launches coming in. Canary, Bitwise, 21 shares, Coin shares, and so on. Also bullish for the markets. We saw HBAR having a massive pump with their first ever HBAR ETF launch. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.